Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I had some thrift store items that I wanted to show you. I was able to venture out safely and go into a Goodwill that just recently opened in my area. Everything was really safe. They only let so many people in and everything. So what I found a couple, like one thing that I'm going to send to my father for Father's Day. I found a book that I'm going to put up on my eBay store. It's a really cool book, old book, but everything else is to use in my junk journals and my crafting. So I'll go ahead and start over here. This is a partial set of an old Charlie Brown dictionary, and it's from the 70s, I believe. Last print is 1973, but it has really cool, I don't think I have any other Charlie Brown books or anything, but I think this would be fun junk journal theme to do. Really cool. This had volumes 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6. It was missing the 4. They did have another 6, I think, but I didn't pick that one up. They're in okay condition. This one's got some writing on it, but I think other than that, it's just normal wear. This has some staining, but it will be good for, it's got some, yeah, it's not imperfect, they're not in perfect condition, so I think this would be good to use in my junk journals. So really cute illustrations. I don't know how many of you watched Charlie Brown as a kid, but I always did. I loved all the different seasonal videos that they would make for Christmas and Halloween and all that. Very cool. And those were 99 cents a piece. Okay, for my father, I found this one. He is a mathematical genius, one of those people that loves to read books on fractals, and yeah. So I found this one, the Handbook of Mathematical Tables and Formulas. It is from, let's see, 1948 was the last publishing of it. So very cool. So he will have fun looking through this. He is one of those people that loves to try and solve formulas, and yeah, it's kind of cool. So yeah, I picked that one up. I think it was $1.99, and I'll send that to my dad for Father's Day. I found this, it's really cool. It's the Greg Shorthand Manual, 2nd edition, and I think this one was 55 maybe. 1955. So I'm not going to use this in my junk journal. I actually put this one on eBay, so I will put a link for it down below if you are interested in this. And then I found this Mother Goose Rhymes and Other Childhood Favorites. This one, the last print was 1972, but look at that. Isn't that so cute? Love this. Just has darling illustrations in it. Can't wait to use this one. And then this one is really cool too. This one was more. That one was 99 cents as well. I think all the kids' hardbound books are 99 cents. This one is The World We Live In. It's a life book. I'm going to pull out a little bit here, so. No, I can't. I'm already, okay. Never mind. The World We Live In, and this one is 1955. I think that I hardly see this many old books in one location. So I think they just recently had somebody donate a whole bunch of older books. So it's pretty cool. But this one has really cool illustrations of just everything about the world. The sea. There's pages that fold out. They're kind of cool. There's a really cool section in here on dinosaurs. This here. And then whoever had this book stuck this little magazine article that had this in it. Let's see. The Kiwanis. It was from the Kiwanis magazine from 1964. So that's kind of cool. And I just love the ads there. But that page flips out. It's got several areas like that where the pages fold out. Look at this one. This is the Ice Age. Here is a desert. Flip out. This is neat. So I love this. I think this will just be a book that I keep in my library just to look at. It's pretty cool. Then it has the sleeve for it to go in. And then the last thing I found is, actually my friend found these for me there, but it is a bag of rubber stamps and acrylic stamps that you put onto a block. So I'm going to, I haven't even actually opened this up to see what all is in here. I've just peeked at some of them. So here's some flowers. Looks like you can layer that. It's pretty cool. Oh, here. That's what it looks like. That's neat. And then here are, looks like Easter stamps. And there's some of those that are on there. Oh, and here. Okay. Those are cool. That's what those look like. And here, there's some under the water fishy friends Stampin' Up. Those are really cool. I almost didn't get these, but because I have a lot of stamps, but I'm trying to use more these days. Trying to use them in my journals. So here are birds, all different birds. Very cool. And then this one, these long ones here. Oops, those don't go with this. So they look like this. That's really neat. Snowmen, teacups, and or teapots, bunnies, and it's like a spring theme, and then houses down there, bird houses. So that's neat. Here are, okay, so these must be somewhere in here. I'll have to find those in a bit. These are sayings. Looks like thank you, celebrate friendship and love. And then, oh, this goes with, I guess some of them are on here. Oh, I have those. here's the library one that goes here. And then the rest are on here. And those aren't showing. There we go. Oh, there's that one. Okay, then there are more flowers here. Really cool. With different stems and leaf patterns. Here are, this is a birthday set. It says happy birthday. I think I might have that set as well. I am going to be doing a giveaway soon. Actually, I'm going to be doing 2 giveaways. One that I'm going to be doing soon is I am going through my stuff. If you haven't heard, on my previous videos, I am in the process of cleaning out my crafting supplies, and my daughter just moved out. She graduated from college and she's moved into her permanent apartment where she's living in Ohio, and so I made her room into my craft room and temporarily my husband's office. So as you know, if you've been watching my channel for a while, I used to do planning videos, and I love decorating planners. So I would just do the process of that, but then I was not writing anything down in my planner. And now that my daughter's gone, I don't really, I mean, I use a calendar to write stuff down, but my schedule is just not as busy as it used to be. So I don't really need to have I don't know, I just wasn't using the planner. So I kind of stopped doing that. So I have a bunch of stickers and things to use in a planner. So I'm going to do a de-stash kind of planner giveaway pretty soon. I'll let you know when it gets close to that, after I get everything collected, and I'll just like ship it in a flat rate box or something. So I'll have that giveaway. I also am going to do another giveaway because I'm at over 4,300 subscribers on my channel, and when I get to 5,000, I want to do a giveaway there. So I'll give you more updates on that. And so yeah, go ahead. Anyway, I went off on a tangent here, but this is probably one of the things I'll put in that giveaway because I believe I already have that set. All right, here's a Christmas set. Very cool. It has a deer and a tree, season's greetings. That's really neat. This one looks like, what are these? Let's see if there's a picture. Oh, here. Oh, how cute. House mouse. Here are bunnies singing and mouse and a bird. Christmas trees. Snoopy. Oh, that's awesome. And a reindeer. Very awesome. And then here is another floral set. That's really cool, and that's what they look like. Awesome. And then this one is a fall set with the harvest little cornucopia there. Not sure what these look like. It's not that. This looks like Santa. Not sure if one of these is, oh yeah, here. That's what this set is. So very cool. Christmas and fall. And then this set looks like a bunch of sentiments here. A whole bunch of different things. This one is this. So happy birthday, and congratulations. Very cool. And then the last one is this Penguin Pals. I don't know where this is. It must be in there somewhere, but I didn't see it. So anyway, that was a whole bundle, and it was $4.99, which is awesome. So, alrighty. So I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment. go ahead and leave a comment down below and tell me, have you been able to do any thrifting? Have you ventured out? I know it's kind of scary. I went out. I needed to. So I didn't need to, but I really wanted to. Anyway, I'm praying for you guys and hope that you are all safe and healthy, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.